Another thing that I like about this laptop is the size. It's quite small and lightweight. Check out how thin and small it is. You know, you can hold it with one hand. And another thing that is very interesting about this laptop is Hey guys, Alex here. Welcome back to my channel, a channel about real estate, personal finance, and business. Today's vlog is going to be a little bit different because today I will be unboxing my newest real estate gadget, my ASUS 13 ZenBook Flip. So it's my newest laptop. Actually, I'm not really a Windows user. I've been using Apple for the past 7 years. Like all of my gadgets are Apple because I just find their user interface super user-friendly and easy to use and convenient. I also like syncing all my gadgets. But since my Mac Air has served me well for the past 7 years, yes, it's been with me for the past 7 years, it's kind of slowed down and some keys are not working well anymore, so I decided to replace it. Initially, I was just gonna buy another Mac Air, but then I saw the vlog of Mrs. B about the ZenBook Pro and I liked so many of its features. I also love Mrs. B because she's such an empowered woman, so successful and fashionable. I love her outfits in her vlog. I know I'm totally fangirling now, but I really like how she's running a successful business with her husband. I like husband and wife tandems because, you know, my husband and I, we are also running our business together, so I can really relate and we look up to power couples like that. Anyway, so back to the unboxing. Now, since this is a new product, it was launched last December of 2020, we had such a hard time looking for it. There wasn't any stock at the ASUS store at the mall, and even online, we had a hard time finding an ASUS ZenBook 13 online. Luckily, we were able to find one at ASUS Rouge official store on Shopee. This is their official store that carries their high-end products, and they had only one unit available, so we bought it immediately. And it just arrived yesterday. So today I'll be unboxing this new baby while I share the features that I like about this laptop with you. By the way, I'm not a techie person, so the features I'll be sharing with you are what I personally like about this product. And as for the specs, I'll just put them during the video while I talk about it. And I'll also put the specs in the description box below. I already had the specs checked out by my husband, who's the techie, and it has passed his standards, so it's a thumbs up for him as well. So now I will be unboxing my new laptop. Okay, so one reason why I wanted to share this unboxing video with you guys is because as a real estate broker, I really need the right tools, the right gadgets to be more efficient in helping my clients and in, you know, doing my job well. And since my MacBook was already a bit slow, I really invest in gadgets that help me be more efficient with my job. So yeah, so I'm sharing this with you because even though some gadgets can be a bit pricey, you know, you just have to look for the ones that fit your budget and that fit your needs. And so far, based on the specs and the size and the other features of this laptop, I think it's the perfect fit for me. So, okay, so this is what it looks like on the inside. So the laptop is here. It's actually quite small. This is 13 inches. So this is a little bit bigger than my Mac Air though, because my Mac Air is 11 inches. So this is slightly bigger at 13 inches. So it's in a slate gray color. What I don't like about this though is the color, because I prefer my gadgets to be either white or silver, preferably white, but it only had one color. So yeah, I had no choice. But I like the size of this. It's very handy. It's very handy. It's okay. And for the box though, it's not as nice as an Apple box, to be honest. but it's still okay. It's quite sturdy. But I don't know, Apple boxes have like that premium feel, and it's just so white and perfect. This is also, this is okay though, but not as nice for me lang, ha? For me, compared to an Apple box. So it comes with a user manual, and aside from the laptop, it has a charger, so it's already USB-C. So USB-C charger. Since this is touch screen, so it comes with a stylus. Okay, so this is battery operated though. I really wanted a rechargeable stylus, but this will have to do for now. Although if I need to keep on buying batteries, I might get tired of that and just buy a rechargeable stylus. So for now, I will use this. And it also comes with a free laptop bag. Okay, so it comes with this free bag. This is included in the box. So it has a very premium feel to it. Okay, so let's open the laptop. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you open it. And you can see that it's very small. It's quite lightweight. It's a very small, thin, portable laptop, perfect for those who are always on the go, who work on the go like me. Although it's not as thin as my Mac Air, but I think it's really hard to beat because the Mac Air is really very thin and very small. But the first feature that I like about this is its 360-degree hinge, because whenever I go on property tours, I often bring my Mac Air with me, and there are times when, during the property tour, I show properties to my clients on my laptop, and it can be a struggle because when we're standing up and I'm holding the laptop awkwardly with one hand while using the other to navigate, So now you may ask, why not buy a tablet instead? That's because I use programs that cannot run on tablets. That's why I wanted a two-in-one, a laptop that can also convert into a tablet. So I like this because this can fold all the way back. It can also, it can go all the way back, and I can use it like this, tablet mode, and it can also go into tent mode. Like this. Yeah, it can go into tent mode, so when you're watching Netflix or presenting to a client, I think it's a more convenient setup or mode to be in. So because it can go all the way back, can go into laptop mode, it can go into tent mode, it's very easy for me to use when presenting properties, even while standing up. So when I saw this feature, I thought, okay, that's perfect for me. So yeah, as I said, it can go all the way back. And when I'm showing photos to my client of the properties that we have that are available, so I can just hold it like this and then show it to my clients like this. Yeah, so it's also touchscreen. So when you convert it into tablet mode, it will deactivate the keys at the back. So even if you're pressing the keys, it won't really mess up your screen. So you can then edit it. You can write stuff on this. So for example, if I need my client to sign a document, then it's also more convenient because, the client can just sign on the go. Like for example, if I'm getting a listing and I need the client to sign an authority to sell, so they can just sign the ATS here on my two-in-one, on my ZenBook. And then you can write the details here. For example, block 1, lot 2, like that. So yeah, it's a very convenient gadget for me to use. And when I saw this feature, I thought, okay, that's perfect for me. Another thing that I like about this laptop is the size. It's quite small and lightweight. I really don't like bulky ones since they're too heavy and hard to bring around. I really loved my 11-inch Mac Air. It was perfect for me. And since the ZenBook also had a 13-inch model, so that was another check mark for me. So check out how thin and small it is. You know, you can hold it with one hand. And another thing that is very interesting about this laptop is the trackpad. So the trackpad is over here. You just double press it and then the numbers appear. So I like the convenience of the trackpad, because when the numbers appear just over here, you can use it like you would a calculator, because there are times when I compute the taxes payable for a client and it's super convenient to just have a calculator right here. I also like the touch screen feature because you can use a stylus to navigate it, and it's very convenient because when I'm on a client meeting, I often have to show the layout of a home or the available units on the map. So it helps that I can point it out and draw on it using the stylus. Speed is really of the essence when it comes to my work, because my clients are busy and they need the information immediately. So with this, I'm able to show them the information they need in a clear and a concrete way. So I think that's it for now. Overall, if there was one thing that I didn't like about this laptop, it's the color, since, like I said, I prefer my gadgets to be either silver or white, but this only comes in one color. But other than that, I love this product, and hopefully I'll be able to use it well, and it will last me another 7 years. So after a couple of months of using this, maybe I'll make another video reviewing this laptop and how it was for me to use. But so far, that's all for now. If you have any questions about this product, then just let me know in the comment section down below. Or if you are already a ZenBook 13 Flip user, then let me know how this product has worked out for you. I hope I was able to add value to you today, and I'll see you in my next video.